Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus of BG 6th semester Skill Enhancement course Educational Technology ED 617S. This course consists of 4 credits, 2 theory and 2 tutorial. In theory portion, we have 2 credits. The maximum marks of theory portion is 30 and minimum marks 12. In theory portion, the first unit is understanding educational technology, and in this unit we have to study a meaning of educational technology, objectives of educational technology, and types of educational technology. Then B, forms, instructional technology, teaching technology, behavioral technology. And then C, relevance of educational technology. And unit second of theory portion is ICT in education. And in this unit, we have to study A, computer applications in education, B, computer assisted instruction, its types, and then C, education implications of internet and e-learning. Now in tutorial we have 2 credits, maximum marks 30, minimum marks 12. Unit first, A, preparation of PowerPoint presentation PPT. B, creating and managing of email and social networking sites SNS. C, appearing online examinations. And D, LAN LAN and WAN WAN. And unit second of tutorial portion is A, visit to CIET website, B, visiting other educational sites, C, online teaching and learning, D, font size, formatting and creating of files or folders. Books recommended: Educational Technology Towards Better Teacher, S. Dahiya. Principles of Educational Technology by M.I. Mattu. Satellite in Education by Madhu Parhar. Educational Technology Management and Evaluation by Rashmi Agarwal. And Advanced Educational Technology by R.A. Sharma. This was all regarding the syllabus of BG 6th semester Skill Enhancement course Educational Technology. If you like this video, share this video and stay connected by subscribing.